Welcome to Bioleagues Worldwide, prominently promotes research and development and have brought a revolution in the field of worldwide conferences. In this video, we want you to dive into our world, giving yourself a clear insight of the Bioleague events. But first, who are we, and what do we do? Bioleagues Worldwide, BLW for short, is one of the world's largest non-profitable professional associations operating under the Techno-Read Research and Development Association, (TRADA), meant for research and development in the field of engineering, science and technology. Bioleagues Worldwide conferences bring together the professional wizards and leader bodies for scientific professionals in India and across the globe, established in 2000. We extend to every part of the globe, with more than 28,000 professional members and 34,000 student members. Our frowning membership at Bioleagues has led to an increase in members from Europe, Asia, Australia, and Africa, fostering networking opportunities that strengthen ties within and across countries and technical communities. Bioleagues works with the motto of creating a better tomorrow by organizing conferences and creating a network which will help grow a better tomorrow with the help of advanced technology and achieve sustainable development. Mission: to connect professionals at an integrated platform for growth to divert knowledge through our professional activities and scientific conferences. Vision: of a united platform to explore research with opportunity to innovate multidisciplinary scopes and applications of professional studies. Bioleagues widely connects researchers, exchange global innovation, and acts as a bridge between other academicians by organizing international conferences, world conferences, faculty development programs, webinars, seminars, providing membership, and more. Some of our conferences include Breast Cancer Dubai, 7th World Conference on Pharmaceutical Science and Drug Manufacturing, Nanosphere UAE, EDUMIS, Indo-Oncology Summit, International Conference on Dermatology and Cosmetology, and many more. Every organized scientific events in association with renowned universities done in the past, with over 28,593 journal publication services, creating opportunities to get your research paper published in high-impact factor journals such as Scopus Indexed, Web of Science, Google Scholar Indexed Journals, SCI, and many more. To make our operations smoother and more perfect, we have been supported by our associated organization, International Association of Oncology, IAO, Universal Society of Food and Nutrition, USFN, International Association of Neuroscience, IAN, International Society of Environmental Relationship and Sustainability, ISERS, Association of Pharmaceutical Research, APR, Society for the Research and Studies of Nanotechnology, SRSN, and many other research associations. Actively upcoming, Association of International Society of Environmental Relationship and Sustainability, ISERS, release upcoming conference Climate Change Malaysia. We at Bioleagues believe that there's always a better way to treat professionals, and that is what we do. If you would like to explore with Bioleagues, visit our homepage www.bioleagues.com. Have Bioleagues your way.